Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your battery in your Subaru Key Fob. Alright, so you're going to press in that metal button there, which pulls out your key. Just grab a little flathead screwdriver, and right there, you're just going to put it in right there, and just a little, that's all you need, just a little, brings it up, take that out, gives you your battery. So you're going to want to pick up some CR2032, so CR2032 is what it needs. Okay. And then just pull back these tabs just slightly, so you'll see there's these two little tabs, one there and one there. Okay, so you just pull them back just a touch, and that will then be able to get out your battery, your old one. So take your new one, and writing face up, whatever writing is on it. Anyway, it's going to be positive face up, positive side up. And then slide it that way in first on the top, push it down. Now it's all the way down. Push these little tabs back into place. You can see one tab and second tab right there, two tabs. Okay, so once put the battery back in place, take the back cover and just snap it back into place. And then take the key portion and push it back, make sure it works. Looks good. Alright guys, straightforward and easy. Thanks for watching, comment, like, and subscribe.